In this video, we're going to explore how to make a webhook. And the product that we're going to be using is Microsoft Flow. Now, Microsoft Flow used to be called Microsoft Power Automate, and you still find that name in some of the web pages that Microsoft has up for this. So you can see on my screen right now that I'm at the home page of Microsoft Flow, and what we want to do is create a webhook. So I'm going to go to My Flows, and we're going to say New Flow, and we're going to use a template. So now we need to tell the software where's the data coming from and where is it going to go. So we're going to search for survey, and we've got quite a few choices. Send an email from a survey. Response is submitted on survey 123. Well, that's what we want to do. So I'm going to select that one. So it comes up here and shows me that we're going to send a survey from survey 123 to Office Outlook, is what the purpose is. So I'm going to click continue. And we have to tell it what survey we're going to use. So I'm going to choose a survey, and it's loading surveys. Now I had to already be logged into survey 123 previously using my Esri credentials, or else I could not see all my different potential surveys here. And the one that I want is this one called Test GeoEd 20. So I'm going to select that. And it wants to know where am I going to send an email. So I'm going to send the email to myself. It wants to know a subject, and I'm going to just type in a subject here that new survey has been completed. And then it wants to know what to put in the body. But notice down here on the right, it gives me some choices from the survey that I can use. So I'm going to put down, I want to know the user's last name with a comma, and then their first name. And what else do I want to know? You can see all the different possibilities I have. So I might want to know what state. So I'm going to hit enter. So I'm on a new line. We'll hit a double enter. And I'm going to say state. And feature attribute type of item I'm going to say. And so those are the things that I want to be sent as an email. So it's going to come from this survey. It's going to send it to me. It could be sent to anybody, as you saw there. We put a subject in for the email and what's going to be in the body of what we send. So I'm going to say save. So it has saved that template. And that's all I want to do. So what I should be able to do now is take my phone and complete the survey. Well, let's see if that survey even exists or we can see anything about it. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to go to that survey, survey 123, the one we talked about. I'm under the settings tab, I'm under webhooks, and notice that I now have, on July 15th today, the day I'm doing this video, I actually have the connection made between the two items, and I can edit that connection. So any new recording it's going to send to me, but if I wanted also to send something about an edited recording, I can just click here and it'll also send me information about an edited survey. So both new surveys will come to me and edited surveys. All this was automatically filled out, and what we're going to do is actually go to my phone and we're going to try this. I have to save it, of course. So I'm now on my phone. I am going to log into my phone. I'm going to find survey 123. It's opening up, signing me in. I am going to find the survey that we've been modifying on my phone. So I'm going to open it up. It's asked me if I want to update it. The reason it asked if I wanted to update it on my phone is it realizes there has been a change made in it. So I'm going to go to the last sent record. I'm going to open it up. I'm going to edit it. Actually, I'm not going to do anything to it. I'm just going to tell it that I've edited and to resend it. And so it has now resent the last survey that I collected, because I did turn on the edit mode. If I had not turned on the edit mode, it would not be sending this to me. And what we're going to do is open up my email, and we should have a new survey coming in just a moment. Okay, you can see on my screen that we've received a couple emails from myself. And the reason there's a couple emails in there is I was building this as a test case. There's more than one trigger using Microsoft Flow. So therefore, in a survey, I can have triggers going to different people or different triggers going to different people. So let's just open up the first one here. Notice it tells me this is a test survey in the body on that one. Let's open up the other one. As you look at this email, you can see the last name of the person who submitted it, first name of the person who submitted it. This is one of the fields we chose. We should have put some spacing in there better. We did put a comma, but we didn't put a space after the comma, and this is another field that we chose. So not only did it bring across that a survey had been submitted, but the person who submitted the survey and some information about the survey can also come across with the webhook.